So today for 10.5, what we're going to focus on is angle relationships. With regards to circles, because this whole section is on circles, or not section, but chapter. And so let me write something down. The tangent intersected chord theorem. So what that is there. Well, let me write that down. Tangent and intersected. Whoops, insected. Intersected chord theorem. If I have a circle that looks like this, and I have a tangent line, okay, remember that this is the point of tangency. Okay, and we'll label this as point A, and then let's have a chord. It doesn't matter where the chord goes, but let's have it go to point B, and then I have a point over here called point C. So in this scenario, this is going to be measure angle 1, and this will be the measure of angle 2. So first of all, the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees. Okay? So those are supplementary. It's a linear pair. But that also has a relationship. In other words, the measure of angle 1 is equal to the arc, or 1/2 the arc, from A to B. So whatever this angle is, this is 1/2 that. Okay, and I could prove that, but we're going to focus on the theorem. Okay. Then that also means that the measure of angle 2 is equal to 1/2 the arc of BCA. So the same thing, whatever angle 2 is, 1/2 of that is the measure of this arc. Okay. Now the interesting thing about that is that has to add up to, so then 1/2 of AB plus 1/2 of BCA, the arcs, has to equal 180. So that's the relationship there. We're going to use that to do some of the examples today, especially example number 1. So let's just jump into example number 1 so you can see what this means. Okay. So for example number 1, I have two circles. I have this circle, where this is B, this is A. This is line M, and we're asked to, and we're told that this is angle 1, and this right here is equal to 130. And so they want us to find the measure of angle 1. Okay, so to find the measure of angle 1, remember that's equal to 1/2 of the corresponding arc. So that would be AB. Well, AB is 130, so it's 1/2 of 130, which is equal to 65 degrees. Okay? So that was pretty easy. And then a second part to example number 1, we have another perfectly drawn circle. And this time we have a tangent line that comes through here. And that's the tangent line M again. And then we have this point here, L, and we have K. And then we have another point out here, we call that J. And we're told that this angle inside here is 125. So then we're asked to find what is KJL, the arc of KJL. Alright, so the relationship is, if this is a measure and this is 1/2 that, then we reverse that and multiply by 2. Now, in other words, this is equal to 2 times this angle here, which is 125 degrees. So then it would equal 250 degrees. And that is basically it.